Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Filecoin. So far, after the breakout from this down channel, like quite long-term down channel, the price on a Filecoin is not able to break out this long-term key resistance on that start from $2.68 and goes to $3.20. You can see that for the past several weeks, a few months, it is getting rejected by this resistance. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously from the month of December 2022 up till the month of March 2025, it has been acting as a very, very strong and long-term support zone. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. But as we have recently broken out this channel, therefore, there is a probability that soon we may break out this resistance. And now you can see that there is also a probability of an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the formation of the left shoulder. This is the head. And right now it is confirming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. It is forming the right shoulder. And once it will be confirmed, then it will be considered as a neckline, this rejection point. However, for better confirmation, we can also wait for the price to break out this resistance zone that starts from $2.68 and goes to $3.20. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this huge breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup of form, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 16th of July 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, I'm going to take you to the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a few months, it has been moving inside this channel. And now after the breakout from this channel, we will need to break out this resistance on that start from $2.68 and goes to $3.20. That is a very long-term resistance line. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance line has been acting as a very strong and long-term support line. We had a bounce here, another bounce, another bounce. So many touch points here. Then we had another bounce, and finally we broke it down here in the month of March 2025. Now another formation of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, the expected inverse head and shoulder pattern, is confirming a massive price reversal from here that is a very big price reversal signal, especially when it is getting appeared on the 7-day time frame chart. And this is the left shoulder, and this is the head. Right now, it is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we will have the neckline. And for example, the price then breaks out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then first the target for this expected breakout by the way, right now it is forming the right shoulder. Once it will be completely formed, then we can confirm this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Right now, it is about to form the right shoulder, and target will be at this long-term resistance line after the breakout. That start from $4.60 and goes to $5. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that target is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $8.12. By the way, this resistance line from $4.60 to $5 has been previously acting as a resistance on here, support on here, resistance on here, and support on here as well. And now if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.